This thief escaped from jail, and what he did next shocked everyone. He was considered harmless, quiet, always following the rules. But every single day, he secretly studied the guards' routine. He noticed something strange. One blind spot at the cameras. Using only a spoon, patience, and perfect timing, he began his plan. Night after night, he slowly dug behind his bed. On a rainy night, when the guards relaxed, he made his move. By the time the alarm rang, the cell was empty. Sometimes, the quietest person